every small step of the progress of human society. It will bring a grand opening of a brilliant civilization of the era. From Imperial Yan tasting all kinds of grass and planting 5 cereals, to the farming society of slash and burn cultivation. From the ancient wisdom of cattle and horses, to the modern civilization of inventing the steam engine. From chariots with rolling wheels, to bicycles, tricycles, and gasoline-powered vehicles. The wave of industrial revolution and informatization has rapidly promoted humanity to have a better future. China's specialized vehicles start from scratch, from small to large, from a single product to a full range of specialized vehicle varieties. From scattered to large-scale operations, from specialized vehicle manufacturing to the promotion and inheritance of craftsmanship spirit. From the flames of stars to the flames of a prairie fire. From the robot logistics park to the World Lighthouse Factory. Specialized vehicle has gone through a huge leap from standardization to lightweight and automation. A leap from traditional specialized vehicles to pure electric new energy and hydrogen energy. Iterative sublimation from civilian specialized vehicles to astronaut series specialized special vehicles. As a result, everything in the world is interconnected and integrated. AI technology empowers various industries, developing accelerated. Generations of dedicated special vehicle people have been working tirelessly to forge ahead without forgetting their original aspirations. Every Chengli staff member who has created great achievements that have attracted worldwide attention is a persistent and courageous person. We always take the research and development and the production of specialized vehicles and emergency equipment as our responsibility. Building a world-class specialized vehicle leading enterprise. Leading the development of specialized vehicle industry to a higher peak.